All right, here we go. It's just the D major scale like we always do. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and. All right, now we're getting some more people in class. Please turn to your unison exercises. And today we're going to start in measure 49. Measure 49. That should be on your page 2. Page 49. Not page 49. Measure 49, page 2. Everybody got it? I hope so. And we'll try to get the first 4 measures knocked out. 4 lines knocked out, rather. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I was getting ready to play measure 73. Ashley, is that where you were? Yeah? All right, let's do that one more time. We're going to play 49 all the way through 72. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, play. Now what I need everyone to get out is the etude with all of the flats in it. I think that's etude number 46, okay? So, Mr. Norton, are you ready? Mr. Norton, are you in here?
Yes, sir. I'm right here.
Okay. All right. So you're up, Mr. Norton. And
Okay.
fellow players, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a breakout room, and we're going to go into the breakout room so we can talk about fingerings for your test. That's on Friday. All right.
All right, guys. Do we have it all out right there? Etude number 46. If you look at the flat signs, everyone see the flat signs? How many flats do we have? McKenna, how many flats do we have? We have 3, right?
I'm in school right now.
Okay.
Like, I'm in the school. Am I supposed to be here? If I'm in
Yeah.
school?
Yeah. You can be here.
Okay. Sorry, I don't have the music with me. I'll bring it next time. Sorry.
No, that's fine. That's fine. No worries. Okay. If you look at the flats, guys, you have 3 of them: B flat, E flat, and A flat. Those 3 flats right there are consistent throughout the whole entire piece right there, okay? And if you also look at the time signature, everyone see the time signature? What is so unusual about the time signature? Zoe, what's unusual about the time signature?
All right. There should be one more, but maybe it's just going to take a little bit of time. Right now, you're going to need your etude number 46. That's what we're working on, and a pen or a pencil, something to write on. If you're using the music on your computer, then you're going to need to find a way to write this on whatever you see on your computer. Kate, is there any way for you to turn on your camera? All right. What I'm going to do.
There's a person working in my house right now, so I can't have my instrument out or my video on right now.
Kiddo, we need those instruments. All right, what I'm sharing with you is the fingering for your test this week. If you haven't worked on it yet. So I need you to take what I'm showing you on the screen and put it into your music, please. I know it's kind of small, but maybe you can blow it up on your end. How's it going, Jack? Did you write it all down?
I cannot find it in the Google Classroom. I don't know why.
I don't know why either, man. I told you guys that I would print it for you. All you had to do was ask. Kate, do you have your music out?
Yes.
All right, so you're writing it down?
Yes.
All right, Eddie, what about you? Are you writing it down? Cool. Ah, there you are. What took so long?
My bad. I was looking for the music.
I've been sending you messages. We've been trying to get you in our meeting.
Okay.
All right, we're writing down the fingerings now, okay? That's what everybody's doing. Hopefully you can see them on the screen. And you really only have to worry about the first 2 lines for now, because that's what the test is over on Friday. Jack, you got him finished yet?
I can't see it. I can't see the notes.
Why, what can't you see, Jack?
Just like the numbers.
For what? What I'm sharing or what?
Yeah, what you're
what's all
sharing.
printed?
Mine's like it's like a has like a lot of black.
You can hit Control and the plus sign, and it'll make your screen bigger.
Didn't do anything for me.
All right. Well, do your best, man. This is your one shot. I mean, I don't. I know times are hard, but when you guys repeatedly don't do what I ask you to do, there's not a lot I can do to help. I mean, I've offered to print the music for you. We've sent it out. It's super frustrating. Eddie, do you have yours almost written down? Omar, do you have yours written down yet? Omar, do you have yours written down yet?
Yeah, I already did it.
Okay. I can't see you. Your screen is black. And then Kate, did you finish yours?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, here we go then. We're gonna try to teach some of this stuff to you. Kate, can you at least have a cello someplace close by so you can finger along even if you can't play?
I don't have where I'm at right now. I don't have any room for my cello to be.
All right. So that it's up to you guys. I mean, this is the chance we're giving you to figure out your life here for this test on Friday. All right. So we talked about how this song has 3 flats in it. Okay. Kate, why don't you start with measure 1 and tell us the names of the notes? And remember that the key signature has B flat, E flat, and A flat in it, okay? Kate, will you tell us the names of the notes for measure 1?
Yeah. E flat, D.
It's okay. What comes before D in the alphabet?
C.
There you go, C.
B flat,
There you go, B flat.
A.
And that one's an A flat, so it's a low 1.
Okay.
And then the next one,
G.
good. And then it goes back up.
A.
A flat,
B.
B flat,
C.
C.
D. E flat,
That's right, E flat,
and F flat.
and then F. All right. So what we're going to do is we're just going to play that measure 1. All right, so that's what you're going to do. Play along with me. Jack, have you found the music yet?
Yes, but I still can't see the.
Well, I'm not
The
sharing
numbers.
anything anymore, right? Now you should just be seeing pictures of us.
Yeah.
All right, so here we go. This is measure 1. I'd like us to all play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try that again. All right, here we go. All together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. All right, Eddie, why don't you play for us? And we're gonna play along with you. Don't forget to count us off. You can say 1, 2, 3, and then start playing. Okay?
Okay. One second. I'm just gonna move back. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, good job there, Eddie. All right, Omar, you're up next. Don't forget to say 1, 2, 3, and then we'll play with you. Omar, you got to turn off your mute.
Okay.
There you go. And just count to 3, and we'll play along with you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
All right, and make sure you're playing second fingers and not third fingers, okay? All right, Jack, you're up.
Right. 1, 2, 3. What am I doing? 1, 2, 3.
All right, so Jack, make sure you're playing second fingers, and then they're all low ones. Right, none of your first fingers are on the tape.
Oh.
All right, Eddie, will you tell me the names of the notes for measure 2?
I can try.
Oh, you got it, man. I'll help you out.
G, F sharp. No, wait.
No, not F sharp.
F. F.
Just F, yeah.
Oh, okay. E.
E flat.
Okay. D. Back to E. Flat.
That's right.
F. G. F. G. I want to say it's F G, but I know that's wrong. Or no, sorry. G A. No,
A flat.
A flat. Yeah,
There you go.
and then G A flat again.
All right, that's cool, man. Now let's talk about those last 4 notes. Above the last 4 notes, you should have written 1, 2, 1, 2. So what that means is I'm going to put my first finger on the third tape, or where the note G is. We play, see if yours matches mine. And that the name of the note we're playing now is G. So my first finger is on the third tape on the D string. There you go, Omar, but use your first finger, okay? The next note is A flat, so I'm now going to put my second finger down. So the last 4 notes sound like this. Maybe like a messed up Jaws. There you go, Omar, that's right. All right, so watch your screen and see if you can tell when I do the shift. I'm going to start at the beginning of measure 2. Could you see when I move my hand up? Maybe give me a thumbs up if you could see it. There's 1, 2. Man, Omar, it's so hard to see. Oh, there you go. Kate, did you see it? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, all right, here we go, Cholos. We're going to try it together. All right, I'm going to play and you're going to play along with me. This is the beginning of measure 2. Here we go. Ready, set, play. So I ended on a second finger. Whenever I put my first finger on the note G, they call that third position. All right, let's try that again. Back to the beginning of measure 2. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. All right, Eddie, you're up. Let's hear what you got, my friend. We're gonna play along with you, okay?
Okay.
Just count us off.
Still the 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
All right, good job, Eddie. All right, Omar, you're next.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, you did pretty good. The second, if you look in that measure, there are 1, 2 G's, fourth finger G's that are in first position. But the third one, that's when we go to third position, okay? That'll help a little bit. All right, Jack, let's hear what you got.
Can you help me with like the last 2 triplets? Like I don't know how to like do like the
You put your first finger on the note G.
so right here.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell. It
Oh,
should be
yeah.
your third tape, and then you put your second finger down next to it, and that'll be that's what the second finger is.
Like that.
Yeah, that was your first finger. All right, try the whole thing.
And
And then it's F. F though, not F sharp. Second finger. And now first finger G. You got to move your hand up. And then the 2. That was a 3. Try a 2.
It's not sounding right. Oh.
And then back to a 1. And then a 2. There you go. Let's try that one more time all together. Okay, I'll play this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna try it again. 1, 2, 3. Don't get frustrated, Jack. You just got to keep going. You got to keep going, all right? Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. All right, cellos, now I'm in measure 3. All right, and the fingering you should have written down is 4, 1, 4, and then it goes back to 1, 4, 2. So we're going to do 6 notes at a time. All right, so I'm going to play and you try to make yours match mine. So the first note is B flat, 4th finger on the D string. I'm still in 3rd position. Now the next note I'm going to play is 1st finger G. That one's on a tape. And then I cross over to the G string and I play the other 4th finger. That's the lowest note in the measure. And then it goes back to a 1st finger G, all in 3rd position. And then the 4th finger B flat. And then the highest note is the E flat, 2nd finger on the A string. So all 6 of those notes are in 3rd position. So that means your 3rd position means your 1st finger always stays on the 3rd tape or on the note G. All right, so let's try that again. This is the first note of measure 3. It's a B flat. It's 4th finger on the D string. Try to make yours match mine. 3rd position on the D string. Omar, we're in 3rd position. Do you have tapes? There you go. Hey, that looks better. That looks better. All right. Now the next note is G. That's 1st finger on the tape. But you don't move your hand. Now another 4th finger, but this one's on the G string. And then we go back to the 1st finger on the D string. And then the 4th finger B flat. And then the highest note is the 2nd finger E flat. So what we're going to do now is we're going to play each one of those notes twice. All right, let's try it. So put your 1st finger on the tape, and then the 3 and the 4. Here we go, every note twice. Ready, and. So, Jack, if you don't have the music, then at least write the numbers down so that you know the fingering. 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2. All right, that way you can keep up with us. We're going to try it again. Same thing, each note twice. These are the first 6 notes of measure 3. Uh-oh. Omar looks like the headless cello. Oh, hey. There's the head again. Here you go. 1, and ready, go. Same thing. Ready, play. Eddie, let's hear you try it.
Super note.
Just like what we just did.
Okay.
All right, very cool. Eddie, Omar, you give it a try.
Okay.
And then 4. Hey, you did a good job. You just forgot a 4th finger. Before you play the 2 on the A string, there's a 4th finger there.
Okay.
Yeah, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Can you see it on the page?
Mhm.
All right, Jack, you're up next.
I can't play this.
All right, well, let's go. Let's hear what you got.
I don't.
You got to have something.
I don't.
Well, you have to. I don't, I can't, that doesn't exist. Put your first finger where your 4th finger would normally go. There you go. Now put your 4th finger down. All right, so that's the first note. So go 4, 4. Now go 1, 1. Now put your 4th finger on the G string. Good. Now go back to first finger on the D string.
Probably not.
D string, D string. And then back to the 4th finger on the D string. 4th finger on the D string. Good. And then last one is 2nd finger on the A string. Good. Now you have it. All right. So let's try it again after me. Or with me. Sorry. Let's find that first note. It's the B flat. There you go. Ready, set. Oh, hold on 1 second. Sorry. All right. Now you're going to play along with me. You got this. Okay. Ready and 4, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 2, 2. Let's try it again. Jack, I don't know if you're lost or if your screen freezes. Oh, there, he's unfrozen. All right, let's try it again. Here we go. Omar, are you there? All right, stay with me. We're going to play. Don't leave. Stay with us. All right, ready, go. Eddie, I think I lost you that time. What's going on? You ready? Let's try it again. Ready, play. Ready, play. Cello players, we're working in measure 3. Now look at the beginning of measure 4. So we're kind of skipping some notes. What do you notice about the beginning of measure 3 and the beginning of measure 4?
It's the same.
Hey, that's right. Good job, Jack. It's the same. So it's the same fingering too. 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2. Try that with me. This is the beginning of measure 4. Ready, and. Ready, play. Get your hand set up. We're in 3rd position. 1, 2, ready, play. Now, in measure 4, the next note is first finger G, still in third position. So it's first finger, fourth finger, second finger, first finger. We're going to play G, B flat, A flat, G. All in third position, all on the D string. So that's 1, 4, 2, 1. Let's try that with me, okay? So start first finger G. So I'm in third position. Ready, go. 1, 4. Yeah, there you go. 2, 1. So I ended on a first finger. Ready, go. 1, 4, 2, 1. Same thing. Starting on a 1. Ready, play. 1, 4, 2, 1. All right, Jack, you go first this time. Let's hear you do it. 1, 4, 2, 1. You can do it, man. Hey, very cool. I think you played the right fingers. I think your first finger might be a little too high. Right? Okay. Omar, you go next. I think your first finger might have been on the wrong tape, Omar. It's hard for me to see. Do you have tapes?
Yeah, I have 3.
Okay, so it should be on the third tape.
Okay.
Right? That's where third position starts. All right, Eddie or Caesar. All hell, the cello Caesar. Very cool. All right, Kate, I hope you're still there, kiddo.
I am. I'm trying to follow along as best I
Okay,
can.
very cool. All right, so I'm going to play all of measure 4, playing each note at a time. Jack, wake up. All right, so get ready. It's going to be like this. Then I'm going back to first position and I'll play F and E flat. So this is all of measure 4. I'm going to start with my first finger on the third tape and then put my third and fourth finger down. I'll be ready to play. Here we go with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Back to first position. F and E flat. So I ended on a low 1 E flat. Let's try that again. First finger back on that third finger tape. 1, 2, ready, play. 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Now going back to first position. F and E flat. Make sense? I hope so. Yes? All righty. Omar, tell me the names of the notes in measure 5, okay?
Okay. A, D,
Yeah?
F, E,
And that one's E flat. That's going to be a low
flat.
1, okay?
D, A,
Oh, it's not an A. Think again. You're close.
B,
What is one note before the letter D in the alphabet?
O, E.
No, that's after. What's before
Oh, C.
D? There you go. C,
Okay. and then that's D,
Oh, what comes before C?
B,
There you go. And that one just happens to be a B flat.
okay,
And then the next note,
C,
the bottom note is a A. That's a first
Oh.
finger A. All right, now it jumps up to that really high note. What is that one?
C,
Good.
and then D,
B flat.
oh, B flat,
There you go.
E, think,
That's the open A. They're going to go down alphabetically. So open A.
G,
Good.
F,
Good. All right, we're only going to do that measure. So this is measure 5. So on the A string and the D string, they're low ones. And then there's second fingers all the way around. There's no third fingers at all. Okay? Here you go. Play along with me. Measure 5. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, three. So that measure is not as hard as some of the other ones because it's all in first position. Eddie, why don't you tell us the names of the notes in measure 6?
Okay. D, F.
Oh, hold on a second. Measure 6. 4, 5, 6. Measure 6 is the last measure of line 2.
Oh, sorry. E flat,
There you go. E flat.
G, F, E flat, D, C,
Good.
back to D, F, E flat, C, B, A.
Yeah, you did good there until the end. It went to
Oh.
a D and then a C and then a B flat.
Okay.
Again, this one is low 1 on the A string and low 1 on the D string, and that's about it. So let's try it. This is measure 6. There you go. Starts on a low 1 on the D string. 1, 2, 3. Same thing, measure 6, starts on a low 1 on the D string. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, three. All right, now what we're going to try now is we're going to try to do measures 4, 5, and 6. The whole line. Please don't stop. Even if you bust out Twinkle Twinkle, whatever you do, don't stop playing. Okay? All right, so I'm going to put my first finger on the third tape, and I'm going to start at measure 4, and we're going to play all the notes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. How do we do? All right, let's try it again. Put your first finger on that third finger tape. And then put our fourth finger down. All right, here we go. 3, 2, we're going to start with the fourth finger. That's our pinky. There you go. 3, 2, 1. First position. So maybe like a thumbs up, you rocked it, a thumbs down, I need help, and in the middle means I need to go practice. Okay, all right, yeah, we all need to go practice, right? That's no doubt. Okay, so we did everything except for 6 notes at the end of line 1. So can you look at the last 6 notes of line 1? Go to line 1 and count backwards, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the fingerings for that is 4, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. I hope we all wrote that down. If we start in the beginning of measure 3, we go. To play the next fourth finger, I have to move my hand. So let's see here. You normally have your first finger on the third tape, right? And that note is G. Will you make your G's match mine? All right, now move your first finger up just a little bit, and now that note's going to be A flat. And you put second, third, and fourth finger, that note's going to be the C. That fourth finger is the 7th note in measure 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the one, it has a fourth finger and it's circled. All right, so that's the C. See if you can match mine. And now the next note is first finger A flat. And then the next note is third finger E flat. And it goes back to that weird first finger. And then it ends on a fourth finger C. All right, so let's find that note again. Play first finger G, it's on the tape. That's where we've been starting. But for the end of measure 3, we have to move our finger up a little bit and put our first finger on the note A flat. And then I put my third finger down, and then when I put my fourth finger down, that note is now C natural. So the note that is circled in measure 3 is that C natural fourth finger. The next note is first finger A flat. It looks like that would be an open A, but it isn't. That's where my first finger goes. And then I cross over to the G string and play third finger. And then back to the A flat. And then the fourth finger is last. And then the very last note is back to that second finger that we were doing earlier. Cello players, do you all have the fingerings written somewhere? Right, Kate, I recorded this. I don't know what all is going to show up in the recording, but maybe when you have your cello, you can go back and listen to it. Okay.
All right.
All right. I'm going to send this back to the big room because we're running a little short on time.
The same thing.
I don't know.
That's called an octave. Yeah, that's called an octave. We're working on that right there. Okay. Okay. We're pretty much done, Mr. T. How about you? You're on mute, sir.
I'm worried about a lot of your grades. A lot of people have just kind of been ignoring the assignments. And if you ignore the assignments, you get zeros. If you do the assignments, even if they're late, I only take off 5 points. So a 95 is better than a 0. Pretty sure that the grading period finishes, I think, today. So if you need to be eligible for something and you haven't been doing your assignments, you'll need to let a coach know that you're not eligible for whatever's going on. I mean, orchestra, we don't have eligibility right now. We won't deal with that until later. But it's super important that you get your assignments turned in. You have something due on Friday, right? This Friday? Anybody know what it is? Okay,
what we were
Emily?
just practicing.
Oh, yes, yes. Omar, what we were just practicing.
I have a question about my grades because
Okay.
I've done all the assignments, but
Okay, then we'll after class we'll take a minute. You can ask questions. So it's the first 2 lines of 46 that's due in Smart Music Friday by midnight. Your composition assignment, right? The second part of that, the second 2 weeks part of that, where you add the bass line to it, that's due on Friday. And then your listening assignment. Those listening assignments are super easy. I don't understand why you guys aren't doing them. You open them up in your Google Classroom, you watch the YouTube video, you answer one very nerdy question, and then it's all done. So please, 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 let's get those grades under control. All right, my friends, I'm going to turn the recording off.